Hi, I'm Kate from OXO, and I'm here to show you how you can brighten your brownie batter, mix your cookie dough and more with our illuminating digital hand mixer. The mixer comes with a set of balloon-shaped beaters and a set of dough hooks in case your batter is extra thick. Insert the beater with the ring around it into the larger hole and the beater without the ring into the smaller hole. You know they're in place when you hear a click. Turn on the mixer by pushing the power button. The soft glow LED headlight will be lit to half brightness to let you know you are ready to go. The headlight will come to full brightness once a speed is selected, allowing you to monitor batter consistency. Select your speed by pushing the up arrow. Quick pushes allow you to select 6 speeds from light mixing to heavy whipping, while a long push automatically takes you to the max speed. The speed appears clearly via a backlit LED display. The mixer features a controlled slow start to prevent splatter. The powerful DC motor will maintain your selected speed, even as you add solid ingredients that thicken the batter. Switch from your balloon beaters to your dough hooks for thicker dough, like bread. The cord swivels and snaps to either side to stay out of your way for lefties and righties, and the soft, comfortable handle is non-slip. The flat, stable base allows the mixer to conveniently rest on the countertop if you pause during mixing. When you're finished, eject the beaters with a simple push and drop them in the dishwasher for cleaning. The mixer is designed for compact, upright storage. The cord wraps securely around the base and snaps into place, while the beaters store on the body with the help of a convenient clip. Whatever treats you're whipping up, the OXO On Illuminating Digital Hand Mixer makes light work of all your baking adventures.
Hand mixer. Top. Breville BHM 800SIL Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer, Silver. Beater IQ Technology. Whether you're whisking cream or kneading dough, the Handy Mix Scraper detects which attachment you're using and automatically recalibrates to the perfect speed. Quiet scraper beaters. No clinging or clanging in your kitchen. The rubber scraper beater maximizes contact with the bowl while minimizing sound to ensure you incorporate all ingredients for more thorough mixing. 9 speed settings. 9 speeds plus boost to ensure precise speed for your mixing load. Comfortable design. An ergonomic handle creates a natural hand position so mixing never feels like a chore. Compact storage. A detachable storage compartment houses all the attachments and swivel cords, so you'll love this mixer even when it's turned off. Hand mixer. Top.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. The great thing about this is it has 220 watts of power. It has a smooth start feature, which helps eliminate splattering while you're mixing. It has a one-step power switch right here. It has 9 speeds. It comes with this sturdy snap-on storage case which holds the hand mixer as well as all of the accessories. It comes with 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula. You could just make so many different things with this hand mixer, from cookies to brownies to breads with the dough hooks, as well as cakes. One of the greatest features of this is that it has a swivel cord. It can swivel from right to left for right-handed and left-handed use, and it sits flat down like that. It also has an eject button for the beaters right here, and they come right out and you store them into your case. If you love to bake, this is definitely an item that you should have on your countertops.
Make mixing effortless with the KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Mix, whip, blend, and knead everything from whipped cream to milkshakes to bread dough. The powerful, lightweight motor is designed for quiet, lifelong operation. And turbo beater accessories prevent clogging, evenly mix ingredients, and make cleanup effortless. Premium performance. Exceptional results. Legendary KitchenAid quality.